going on, folks? Eric here. So I'm going to be posting a video today about a scan tool. So this is one of the most powerful things that you can have in your toolbox as a DIY mechanic or a professional. Now this right here is the Innova 5610. It's the top of the line scan tool from this company, and I'm going to do a little just plug and play. This is the first time I've operated this device, and I haven't even read the instruction manual. One of the cool things that I noticed about this is when you get it, you get a free kind of app thing to download. And they also tell you, which is huge, a lot of other scan tools do not do this. They have support and technical assistance. So if you get stuck or there's a problem you can't diagnose very well on your own, you can call this number and be connected to ASE certified technicians to help diagnose your problem. So one of the things I want to tell you about in this video, so this scan tool will check a lot of different things. I'm just reading the box here. So it'll do check engine, read and clear codes, emissions, smog, ABS, battery charging, live data, which is very important, OBD2 modes, maintenance light reset, oil level and oil life, SRS airbags, codes, all system network scans, battery reset, it'll read hybrid battery cell voltage, TPMS tire pressure, reset those, transmission temps, a bunch of other special kind of functions. One of the most important things is bi-directional. So that means you can operate systems, you can turn on and off stuff, verify that it works before you condemn the parts bad. Like say the fan on your car, you don't know if it's actually, you got a cooling problem, you don't know if the fan works. With this scan tool, you can just plug it in and see if it works, and if it turns on, it works, and if it doesn't, then there's your problem. So that makes diagnosing much simpler and much faster. You also get access to this repair database, which is RepairSoultions. You get verified fix solutions. You can directly purchase repair and maintenance parts, which is pretty cool. You do your scheduled maintenance and predicted failures. So just a couple things I thought I'd share. I kind of like this scan tool just for the simple fact that you get resources. A lot of these scan tools you buy, you'll see these little cheap things you plug in that are on Facebook, iFixit and all this weird stuff. It just reads a code and it tells you, hey, it might be this problem, it might not, but you're basically parts canning it. This, they've actually designed it to where you actually have a database you can look at if you're kind of inexperienced, and you have a phone a friend option, which is huge. So without further ado, let's check this check engine light on here. And just a little background, we've been getting a lot of check engine lights on our vehicles lately. I suspect it has something to do, usually this time of year in Colorado, we get emissions check lights. Check engine lights, and it happened on our Traverse, and it's happening on the Suburban, 2 Chevys. Who would have thought? Same time. And I don't know what this code is, but I'm willing to bet it's an emissions code, and it could be a lot. We'll get back to the video in just a minute. Real quick, like and subscribe, share this video with a friend. Let's get the word out about car maintenance and misinformation. With that in mind, I created a free guide. If you head over to my website, www.fixyourcar.net, click on that orange button, you'll get a free guide that'll show you when you need to do maintenance on your vehicle, and so you won't be led astray and misinformed by the auto manufacturers. All right, now back to the episode. Different things. We could still be running winter blend gas here. The altitude and the heat sometimes wreak havoc on the computers, and they don't have time to adjust so quickly. We have 40, 50 degree daytime high, nighttime low temperature swings here in Colorado. It's very extreme, and sometimes the computers don't play nice with this. I know certainly the tire pressure monitor systems don't, so why wouldn't the old internal combustion engine not? So let's plug this in. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm going to power on the device right now. We want English. Let's do standard. We'll skip that for now. All right, let's plug the tool in. So it's just going to be right under here. Okay, we plugged it in, and we're not going to do the RepairSoultions right now. We're going to skip that. Okay, here's our code. Catalyst system low efficiency. So, as I said, this is sort of an emissions code. One of the things we could check out if we have some live data here, what we're going to do, P0420, we're going to erase that. Now, one of the things I did this morning, it's gone now, I filled up the vehicle full of E85 ethanol, which is 85% ethanol blend. This vehicle is actually a flex fuel. It'll allow you to run off of ethanol. I'm willing to bet that that's kind of what this code is. We're going to drive it for a little bit longer and just see if that's what the issue is. But one of the things we can do right now is go and check our live data. So you're going to press this button right here, wait for it to load, and we're going to check out the short-term fuel trim. And this will give us a basic idea if our system is running rich, lean, whatever. And it basically with short-term fuel trims, as long as you're below, some manufacturers are different, but in general, if you're below the double-digit threshold, meaning like 10% below, you're usually good. And these are like pretty close. I mean, you're getting 0 every once in a while. I think the highest one I just saw was like a -5, 3, and it could just be adjusting for that ethanol in the system. But like I said, we're gonna keep driving it. We're gonna see if we get any more problems. There is certainly a lot more you can dig into this. This scan tool is cool. I really like this this system here. And I really like the fact that you can phone a friend and talk to real people. I'm going to post a link to this scan tool in the description below. Please go check it out. Consider it if you need a scan tool, and if you need one that's a lot higher end model. This is likely your best bet. It's not as the most expensive scan tool you can get, but it will do it'll do the best bang for your buck. Let's just say that. So until next time, take care. God bless. And may the Lord bless you and keep you. Have a great day. Bye.